You know, a lot of people don't place garlic in this soup. A lot of famous chefs don't place garlic in this soup. But Spanish people, we place garlic and onion in our soup, especially garlic. And as it's boiling, we want to throw that in there. Okay, on high heat, like I said, let it boil in there with those corn, with the corn and everything. And that garlic, I tell you, it's going to be delicious and it's good for you. I'm telling you. We put it in there. We definitely do in those Spanish soups. Whether it be beef soup or chicken soup, we use garlic. And here we go. Now that we're going to get this soup boiling and on high, I'm going to start placing a little bit more things into the soup. I'm going to go ahead and not place the vegetables yet because the soup's just not quite done, like, you know, where I want it, that stage. So I'm going to place a little bit of seasoning in there. I'm going to use Sazon Complete and place it in there. Just a jab, not much.